Hello and welcome to the igus Hannover booth 2020. Yes, it is true. There is no Hannover Fair in this crazy year 2020, but we have built a complete booth for you to show you more than 100 news. And I'm delighted to show you the top highlights today. Saving 88% of assembly time in intralogistic and crane assemblies, this is possible with our brand new e-chain AutoGlide 5. This e-chain is guided through a steel rope and did not require any guiding troughs. And the best thing is, you get this complete e-chain system including cables and the guiding rope for a very cheap price. This here is our cable drum e-spool flex 2.0. A nice cable drum without a slip ring where you can use cables from 5 to 50 millimeters, also good for data and for pneumatics for example. And you have a hand crank that you can use so to roll it up and down. And what is inside this cable drum, I show you right behind. Inside this e-spool flex 2.0 is this CRM rotary module. It rotates up to 6,480 degrees and, as mentioned, no slip ring. Our product range for e-chains and clean room applications is growing rapidly. Here you see e-skin flat single pots. These single pots you can combine in a non-openable or openable version, and that way you can combine various cables together. And for the friends of secure guiding of cables on robots, we have added two sizes of our linear retraction system, sizes 60 and 65 of our Triflex chains now available. You know our e-chain system E4Q very well. You can save up to 80% of assembly time with this chain. And to save more time on strain relieving, we have worked together with our colleagues from the Ready Chain department and developed these 4 different styles of strain relief systems that we are testing right now to save even more time. Because these guys, they are strain relieving thousands of cables every day and know what they need. Especially on very long travels with e-chains, you don't want to see unplanned downtimes. Up to now, that was only possible by adding a maximum static force level. Now, brand new with ECPR, we have a new dynamic upper and lower limit force control that you can adapt to your travels. For applications in the maritime sector, you need special certificates. And now we have the big choice because our DNV-GL certification is now available for 387 different chain flex types. So for your applications on all platforms or on industrial ships, you have the vast choice. The 36-month guarantee actually is available for all chain flex types, for all 1,350 types. And the whole process to give you that guarantee was now verified by UL laboratories. The production planning, the production overviewing, the test in our laboratories, and the live calculation of every cable was verified by UL. The connector Module Connect, you know already from last year's Hannover Fair. You have one system connector that you can connect instead of several connectors. Now we have Module Connect adapter to facilitate the connection between e-chain system and the Module Connect. You have also different possibilities of fixation and you don't need any metal parts to connect together. And brand new, we have a solution here for the 7th axis of a roboter with Drylin ZLW. We have different connection kits where you can connect a Robolink DP or a DCI roboter or even a UR roboter. And if you want to control the movement of your robot, we offer now robot control for gantries, the Robolinks and Delta robots. With a very simple user interface, you can control your robot. And brand new on this Hannover Fair for home office pioneers, we show you the new strain wave gear program with a 50% higher efficiency. Very light and compact, it's made of igus high performance polymers and it's extremely cost efficient. And by the way, we have our first injection molded gears now. This is Drylin NTP27, a telescopic guide made completely out of high-tech polymers. You can load up to 2.5 kilograms of weight, tear it for 150 millimeters distance, and it's 70% lighter than steel. And it's also very cost effective. To the cost-effective and injection-molded thread nuts, we have now an additional size. The 47mm connection size is identical to the conventional ball screws. And this is a very special news for you, a standard program in Iglidur E. 3 times more durable than our very well-known Iglidur J material, it is perfectly made for working on aluminum shafts in linear and rotative applications. Iglidur clip bearings are proven solutions, for example in automotive or laboratory equipment. Now we have two new materials. We have Igldur K250 for flexible material for sheet metal solutions suitable for recoating, and we have Igldur A230, a flexible material for the food industry, compliant to FDA and EU 10/2011. Our PRT system 04 I showed you already last year, saving 20% of cost and 60% of weight compared to PRT 01. Now we have PRT 04 including a locking mechanism where you can always go to the same locking position as you can hear in this example here. Our Igldur stockbar program has grown tremendously. All in all, we have now 10 different materials and now also new plate materials with 160 millimeter widths, and you can configure easily from 50 to 1000 millimeters in the length. And you should definitely try our CNC online price calculation. You upload your dimensions, you choose the material, and you get your price right away. Especially in the electronics industry, it is very important to avoid electrostatic charge. If you want to do 3D printing and prove some concepts that you have, you can use now Igldur i8 ESD, a material that is electrostatic discharging. A very stiff material, 70% more stiffness than our material i3, and a very long-lasting material for your applications. Weddings are mostly very nice events, especially if the pairs are fitting very good together. And here we have a very good fitting pair, a metal housing and the iGlide J insert. A better strength, better abrasion resistance, no tool costs, delivery from first piece, and a very fast delivery. That's a perfect wedding. If you want to avoid electrical charge on polymer ball casters, you can use this solution, Zerodur F182. No lubrication necessary, that means also no dirt. And this solution is up to 29% more cost effective than comparable metal solutions. By the way, a black material, we now have also deflection rollers from igus in black. And that was it. Only a few highlights that I could show you of this year's non-taking place Hannover Fair 2020. And if you want to have a virtual tour yourself, then please get in touch with us, because we'd love to show you tech up and cost down opportunities that you would like to use in your application, because it is our job and we love to do this job. See you next time.